Hello and welcome to SE Tip of the Week. So today I am going to show you a very quick and very easy way to understand user permissions in PactFlow. So PactFlow is SmartBear's enterprise version of the open source Pact broker. And if you're familiar with the open source Pact broker, you're probably aware that there isn't a huge amount of role-based access control that you can configure with the open source tool. So one of the main differences is that in PactFlow, there's more role-based access control. So the definition of a user in PactFlow can be quite different to the definition of a user in the open source Pact broker. So a quick way to get your head around what the possibilities are for user access in PactFlow is to jump up to the settings page of PactFlow and open up your roles tab here on the left. And what this will show you, first of all, is all of the out-of-the-box roles that are available for your PactFlow users. And what that means is that when you have a user in PactFlow, you can assign them a role. And if you go to create a role here, you'll see the permissions menu. And here is your easy way of understanding what all of the possibilities are for a user of PactFlow. So you can see that their abilities could range from managing authentication settings to working with the all-important contract data, recording releases and deployments, which is very useful for can I deploy, managing environments, managing tokens, secrets management. If you're an admin user, then you can manage roles and view roles also, down to system preferences and teams, etc. So there's a lot of good stuff in here. But this menu in particular is just quite useful because the question comes up all the time. Hey, what is a user in PactFlow, or what can a user do? And the answer is to take a look at this menu here, the roles or the permissions menu in the roles page on your settings view. And that'll give you a good idea of the total possible scope for a user in PactFlow. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time on SE Tip of the Week.